Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today it's CraftyBonbons box day. Um I feel really excited about this because as you can see, it's it's the theme. The theme is just awesome, and it's in a very timely manner. It is very timely because very soon it will be the Queen's Jubilee. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a royalist and all that, but I love anything celebration. So, you get this little cute bunting right, right in front, right there, and it's just awesome. I love it. I love it, and you get these celebration confetti that can go, that will be useful for journaling the Jubilee celebrations. Right, let's get right into it. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited about this box. Oh my goodness. Okay, so first up, the B6. I ordered, this time I asked for a B6 traveler's notebook insert. Oh my goodness. It's enough to kind of like document your Jubilee celebrations, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to be able to fill this up if I do. But we shall see. That is really awesome. I like the cover. Right, so we always get a vinyl sticker. Her Royal Highness, I wish. That it gets personalized. It is personalized if you pre-order the box. I'm not sure whether at a later time, if you haven't pre-ordered, it might not be. But yeah, but you can always ask Ali from Crafty Alley Cat and Bonbons Kawaii. So this box is available in Crafty Alley Cat's Etsy, but this is a collaboration between Crafty Alley and Bonbons Kawaii. That's why it's CraftyBonbons. So yes, I'll waffle on, and then you get a lovely, whatchamacallit, washi tape. God, it looks like it's like a scribbly doodly type thing. Then you get a pen. Oh my days. Oh no, it's got a dent on it, but never mind. So it's a twisty one, and I'm sure this is a black ink. Yeah, it is a black ink. Right, just took time to get itself sorted. Then you get a packet of ephemera or die cut ephemera. This is a very typical CraftyBonbons box. You get like this foily type card stock, or like you're foiled. Oh, celebrate is little, so it's little bits and bobs like that one. Banners, balloons, and tags. There's a little star here. Right, that's that. And another pack of die cut, and this time it's like illustration. So you get what should you call that? Not tea mug. That's what's in my head. Teapot, banner, celebratory drinks, cake. I love this like a banner because it, you know, jubilee type things. I love tea. Oh, you got that, what do you call that? Oh, give me Bob soldiers. Something beef eaters, I think they're called. Oh, corgi with a crown, the crown. I think this is a map. Oh no, it's not a map, it's a queen's head. Oh, oh, beautiful. I think I'm gonna create this into a ribbon or rosette ribbon. I'm not sure. Oh my goodness. You get another packet of like bits and bobs packet. So this has like flowers and tabs on it. Like, oh, presents. You can make cards with these. Oh, that's cute. So tabs, a little tag, a little something that says celebrate. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is just amazing. I don't know about you guys, but oh. And then you get, this is, I think these are stickers, but, and you can journal in them. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh. And then another packet of die cuts. Wow. Oh, I'm gonna leave that. That's a cupcake. There's some banners in there. Balloons. You know what? You can make card out of this. Oh, that's really cute. Birthday. You can birthday cake. I like heart banner. Presents. Oh wow, I'm going through this really fast because I don't want us to be here forever. And then you get this kind of like banner, and I'm not sure what you call this now, but oh my days. Oh, that is cute. I think I've got one of these in the craft room by my craft table. That is from CraftyBonbons as well. That is amazing. And here is the info about the shop. Or the, no, that's not the shop. It's a Facebook group. That's where you can find us. Oh, find them, not us. This is where you find them in this Facebook group. And also this is where they do their sneak peeks for the next theme, and you can pre-order in this one in the group. And then you get some really lovely journaling cards. Oh, Ramblers by choice. Yes. It's cool to be you. I love it. And they're really thick cards. They're better than those Project Life cards, to be honest. Right, so you also get the self-adhesive stickers. They can be used as address labels for your letter, but you can also use them as journaling spots in your journal. So you get 4 of them. And then you get foiled. I think this is kind of like a die cutty type of, yeah, die cuts that you can take out template. Oh my goodness. So yeah, you can make some cards with this. And then you get your instructions for your self-adhesive vinyl, because there's a few here. Yay me. Oh god, cheers bitches. Oh, I love that. That might have to go in my journal, my current journal. And then you get a set of stickers, star stickers. I think these are, they look like faux leather. Yeah. You get jewel craft stickers. Yeah. This is very useful if you're making your little crown with your kiddos. I did have a crown. I did crochet a crown, but I might use some of this. I might. And then you get word stickers, a little baggie, paper baggie, and then you get some writing sets, writing paper. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they match this little adhesive stickers. Ooh, it says self-adhesive. Wonder what this is. This is kind of like a sticker, silver and sticker paper. I wonder what we can do with this. We can cut out some bits and bobs. That's really cool. And then you've got your cardstock, and they're really, really nice and thick cardstock. Would you believe it? Oh, that's a beautiful one. I got this. This is really pretty, and this is the same as the cover of the B6. So it's that one. Yeah, that is very pretty. I like that a lot. This is I think this is just paper, but again, it's a very thick paper. And this one too. So these can be cards. You got that. That's a thick cardstock. That's a cardstock again. And another one. I love this. And that's a really thick card. I love this. And this one too. It's a very thick card. Oh my god. Right, that's it guys. This is the June CraftyBonbons box. This has just landed on my door, and it's now 28th of May, so it's not quite June yet, so it's ready for my June journaling, celebrating the Queen's Jubilee and all that. But yeah, I hope you like what I've shared, and I shall see you for some more journaling session, at some point. I haven't done that for a while, haven't I? So I think I need to share some journaling sessions with you. And thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and again, I'll link the Crafty box Facebook group link in the description box, so you know where to find us. And we share our bits, our makes in there, and share ideas, and yeah, it's all there. All the info are in there, and I shall see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Bye.